Chef and Chefette.
What's up, YouTube? We are back! Back with another video, baby!
What's that noise? That means there's something great's happening.
Guys, what movie is that from? Please tell her what movie is that from.
It must be a good one.
You guys give up? Jaws! Tell me y'all know Jaws. I'm not that old. Y'all know Jaws. What the hell are you doing? You always doing some tutu splat in the camera, man.
I'm getting ready for Jaws because I'm scared.
So you doing...
I'm going with the beat.
That's scared?
Yeah.
Guys, you know what we making today? Man, you looking like Where's Waldo? Shirley Temple. Come on. Guys, let me tell y'all
I'm on the beach.
Yeah, I can see. You ain't here. You're definitely not here. You're not here. Guys, let me tell you guys what we making today so we can get right into it. Waste no time.
We're making Jaws. Not me, though, because I ain't catching that guy. That little sucker. But you can go catch Jaws.
Guys.
I'm going to be working on my tan.
What's your mother?
Basking in the sun.
Guys, go over there and work on your tan. Go over there. Guys, today...
Where my sunglasses? Let me look through my basket. Excuse me?
Guys, today Marilyn Monroe and I are making fried shark. Yes, if you guys ever go to Trinidad, make sure y'all stop by Maracas Beach and have some fried shark. I recommend Sam. Yeah, Sam's.
Sam's me.
It's pretty good. I went there last year. It's really good. Guys, that's it. So we're about to show you guys how to make this delicious fried shark recipe. Me and Marilyn Monroe over here with she beach hot. She on the beach catching a tan. And it's snowing outside.
First of all,
we got 3 feet of snow outside, but she on the beach, guys.
I'm on the beach, okay?
Yeah.
He's about to go catch Jaws for dinner, and we're going to fry that bad mama jamma, and we're going to make some fried shark for today.
All right, guys. So when we come back, while she works on her tan, I'm going to go find Jaws.
You're such a good man. You go catch us some dinner, and I'm going to cook it for us.
So stay tuned, because when we come back, it's about to go down. Chefs and chefettes, I'm back. So now you know what we're making. Let me show you the ingredients. So to make fried shark, you're gonna need a lime to wash your shark in. You're gonna need an egg to coat before you flour it. You're gonna need Trinidad green seasoning.
That I made.
We starting the lives early. And we interrupted. That's 2 strikes in 1.
Nope.
Guys, if you don't have this, if you have not went back and looked at our video how to make this green seasoning, if you don't have it, you can season your shark with scallions, onions, shadow benny, thyme, and I think that's about it. I'm missing something. No, not parsley. No parsley in here. What did I say? Scallions, shadow benny, thyme, and something else. Guess what? Make the damn green seasoning so we won't have this problem. But it's something else.
Garlic.
Garlic. You're gonna need garlic. There you go. So it's shadow benny, thyme, scallions, and garlic. If you don't have green seasoning, please make the green seasoning because a lot of these recipes taste better with it. You're gonna need pepper sauce. This is homemade pepper sauce that we made. If you don't have it, then you're gonna need a hot pepper that you're gonna blend up to season your shark.
I think we showed them how to make that hot pepper too, right?
Strike 3, interrupting me. Next, you're gonna need salt, pepper, flour, and oil, okay guys? So you season it with your green, first you wash it with your lime. Then you're gonna season it with your green seasoning, your pepper sauce, and a little bit of salt. And then you baste it, you dip it in your egg, flour it, and fry it. Guys, if you want, you can put seasoning in your flour to your taste. I'm gonna put a little black pepper in my flour just for a little more flavor, but you do not, I repeat, you do not have to put anything in your flour because the shark will have the flavor of your seasoning. But I'm gonna put a little black pepper because you know in this house, we like everything hot. All right guys, so this is your ingredients. When we come back, I'm gonna show you the next step, all right? Hey man, I'm back. So guys, we let our shark sit for about 45 minutes to an hour. See that green seasoning, that pepper sauce, and salt. Don't forget your salt. So we let that sit. Now what we're gonna do is, we're gonna dip our shark in the egg wash. Egg wash. Come closer, I don't bite.
You do.
Come close. You dip your shark in your egg wash, and then you're gonna dip it in your flour. In my flour, guys, I just put some fresh black pepper. Dip it in there, and then you're gonna put it in your frying pan. You hear that? Make sure you hear it sizzle, guys, because if you don't hear it sizzle, then your oil's not hot. You want to hear it sizzle when you put it in. All right? That's the tip of the day. So I'm gonna show you guys me adding about 2 or 3 pieces. And then you guys are just gonna continue until you do this to all your pieces. I'm not gonna show you every last piece because we got about 3 pounds of shark there. That's a lot of shark. So I'm gonna show you about 2 or 3 pieces. See how that looks?
Must have been a big Jaws.
It was a big one, man. We wrestled and tussled in that water.
Did you get any war bruises?
Oh yeah, I got a couple of war scars. I can't show y'all because it's hidden.
Oh, that's what it is?
Yeah. But I got a couple of war wounds.
What
scars.
What are you gonna catch for dinner tomorrow?
You.
You gonna cook me?
Yup.
What the hell?
I'm gonna catch you.
That is crazy.
See this, guys? You dip it in egg wash, roll it in your flour with whatever seasoning you prefer in your flour. One more. I'm gonna show you guys one more. See the shark? Dip it in the egg wash. Roll it in your flour. All right, guys? So that's it. Continue doing that until you fry all your pieces. And when we come back, I'm gonna, wait. I'm gonna flip this halfway through to do the other side. Make sure you pay attention. Watch your shark. Fish doesn't take that long to cook, guys. All right, so when we come back, I'm gonna show you guys the finished product.
Hey, chef and chefette.
What's up? We back with the finished product.
With the banging finished product.
Let me show you. That's, hey, stop drooling. Y'all see that, frat? Behave yourself. You know what? Let me just get in front of you because you up to no good. Guys, look at that fried shark. Y'all see that? That's that delicious fried shark. Trinidad style. Bro, you breathing down my back. I can feel my ear, the hair on my back rising. Back up.
Can I just have a piece because...
Hold on, let me think about it. You want a piece?
You always get to taste the first piece, and I never get to taste the first piece.
I'm gonna give you a piece. Hold on. Here you go. A little dry piece too.
What a fat little nigga.
Guys.
It's not good. It's so good, man. This is for me.
Guys.
It's so good.
Get the hell off me.
That Jaws you
Get on my video.
Wait. That shark was real meaty.
Guys, make this shark.
Banging.
I'm ignoring you after you snatched the damn shark on my hand. Guys, I don't want it. Just get out of my face. Guys.
Don't talk to me like that. You know, honey.
Get out of my face. What you doing? Pack of shit now, you know.
I said you a piece.
I don't want none. Guys, make this recipe. It is... Can you stop chewing in my ear? Back up.
I can.
Move.
It's good, guys. It's banger.
You done?
You want some?
No, I don't want nothing.
Okay.
Guys, say something.
I can't, my mouth full.
Good. Guys, make this recipe. It is banging. Banging. All right, guys, that's it. While she sucks the living daylights out of that bone.
I never get to eat anything we make.
Check this out. We get one more last view.
Tell your friends. Make the recipe.
Like,
Subscribe, like.
comment, and subscribe to our channel. Y'all like these videos? Y'all want more? Comment.
This one right here, though, you're gonna thank us for it. I'm telling you.
All right, guys. That's it.
That's it.
And we are out.